just given the examples of libraries, pandas and NumPy. It is an interpreted language. We went through all these things and we have discussed it. And in it is very simple to write and to learn. And we have went through the Python basics, just understand what is a variable and what are the data types we are having. All these things just we had some discussion. So today I'll start with what is the difference between single quotes and double quotes. So this one, same or not? Same or not? Yesterday we have discussed both are same, both used to represent the string. So if you're writing in between the quotes, it is nothing but string. We have seen the type also, right? A equals to, suppose I'm writing apple, and I want to print type of A. Yesterday we have did this, right? Just execute it. So it is a string. Then give this in the double quotes. String, both are same. Then where exactly we are finding the difference? So this one we need to understand. Most of the cases we will get confused. Suppose if I want to print something like print, okay, I'm just giving, okay, it's a new, okay. I need to give in the, so if it is a string, so I need to give that in double quotes. Am I audible? Once again, checking yesterday happened like that.
Yes, audible.
You're right. Okay. So I'm just giving print. Okay. It's, let me do it. If I gave like this, what will happen? This quote started here and ended here. And this is not the exact meaning of this, right? Here we can use double quotes and single quotes. So to differentiate between the actual string and in the string you are having apostrophes, right? So to differentiate that, we can use double quotes. Now it will print. If I use single quotes, what will happen now? It will throw the exception. You can see it is throwing the exception because it is starting here. This single quote is starting here and ending here. And it doesn't know where it has to end. That's why whenever you are having this kind of situation, you want to differentiate apostrophes with your single quote, you can use the double quotes. And at the same time, if you are representing string inside another string also, then you can give the single quotes and double quotes. By that, you can differentiate it. This is clear, right?
Can you repeat 1 second, please?
Yes. What I'm saying is, string, how we can represent in between double quotes or single quotes. Here I'm writing, hey, it's sunny. Okay. So again, I'm writing the same thing with single quotes. In between single quotes, I'm writing the string. Have you found any difference between these two?
No.
Okay.
Because as said, both single quotes and double quotes are same.
Yes, both single quotes and double quotes are same. But what is happening is, this is a word from English. We are writing, it's Anu. So but here it is started, it is started here, single quotes, And the next following single quote, it will consider as string is closed.
Okay, got it.
So this part, whatever you are. So this part, it will throw the exception. I don't know this. Let me explain it. Here it is started, double quotes it has started here, and it will wait for the next double quote till that it is thinking, the compiler will think like this, that is string. So from here to here, string for double quotes. But if I use single quotes, here already one single quote started, and it is looking for the next single quote. So hey, it tell this it is a string. Then what about this? In such scenarios, you can use single quotes and double quotes wisely. Am I clear, Praveen? Praveen, is it fine? Or
Yeah,
should I?
Divya, right. Yeah. So now we have to use double quotes in this case, right?
Yes. In this case, wherever you are having single quotes in between, then you can use the double quotes.
Yeah, clear.
Very good. Awesome. This is one use case of single quote and double quotes. But in general, single quotes and double quotes having no difference in it. Both represents string only. Now, just today we will go through the operators. What are the basics we are going here, right? We are going for the Python basics. We have already seen the variable. What is variable? So under this, we are having variables. We have already seen that. What is a variable? Variable is a container where it stores any kind of data. And second one, we are having operators. Operators, we are learning this from schooling days also. But it's okay. I'll repeat it everything. And we will learn the data types. Data types in Python. And in the data types, we are having again two. One is mutable and another one is immutable data type. So for mutable, I'll go through this one by one. So let me start with operators. What kind of operators we are having? Arithmetic operators. What are the arithmetic operators? Can anybody? We know this.
Plus,
Um,
minus.
yes, very good. Arithmetic operators are like plus, minus, multiplication, then
Division.
division, then
Equal to.
mod.
No.
Equal to is not arithmetic operator. Equal to can be come under comparison operator and assignment operator. So here we are having only plus, minus, multiplication, which is here you can call star, and division, and this is nothing but modulus. Let's see how it is built. Suppose I am using 10 modulus of 2. What it will give? So it will give you the reminder, right? We all know that. Modulus is nothing but which is giving you the reminder. So this percentage indicates the modulus. If I'm using 10 percentage 2, which is nothing but it is giving the output of 0, which means 10 by 2 is equals to 5 and the remainder is 0. So modulus will actually give you the remainder. Okay. Next one. If I gave, and we all know 10 plus 2, 10 minus 2, 10 star 2. We all know that. Only thing we are not aware of is one is modulus and second one, what this will give. Anybody? I can say 3. What this will give? 1 slash is nothing but division. Yes.
We'll get decimals.
Decimals is going to be deleted, right? Decimals got removed. So 10 by 3 is nearly 3.33 something, right? But we'll get only 3. This means if you are using double slash, it means it will remove the decimal part. Decimal part. Now this is all about arithmetic operators. We need to understand one is percentage and second one is double slash. Remaining everything, like if I give 10 plus 30, we all know this, right? 40, and this is all like very basic maths. These are the arithmetic operations. So only thing you need to remember this double slash and percentage. If you are using percentage, it will give you the remainder. And if you are using double slash, it will delete your decimal part. Example, I can give you another example, like suppose 13 double slash 2. 13 by 2, it will give you some 6.5 and here you are getting 6. Output would be 6. Decimals got removed. It won't give you 6.5. This is what. And here if you are trying to get see what is the remainder you are having for division of 2 for 35. That is going to be given as the output. This is all the arithmetic operators. And next one is comparison operators. Comparison operators. So comparison operators are equals to double equals to. Generally equals to will be used for assigning purpose, but in some sites, in some tools, we will use equals to also to compare. But in general, when you are using your Jupyter notebook, double equals to is nothing but you are comparing, equals to is nothing but assigning. We can see it here. Suppose if I said A equals to apple, then what I'm doing into the A variable, I'm loading it. Means I'm assigning apple to the A variable. This is equals to is nothing but assigning. But for some other tools which you are using for Python, their equals to also can be used for the comparison operator. And next one we will have less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to, and not equals to also the comparison operator. Let's check here. I'm giving A equals to 10, B equals to 20. And let's compare whether A equals to B or not. So how to compare that? We are using double equals to A double equals to B. Let's execute this one. So A is 10, B is 20, which is nothing but it is not equal. That's why it is giving false. And another way how you can do that, suppose if I want to check whether both are equal or not, in another way, how I can check is not equals to. If I use not equals to, then let me run this true. So A is not equals to B. That's why you are getting true. This is about comparison operators. These operators, why I am not going in deep means like everybody knows this. This is
Uh,
school level.
what output we will get if we execute to A equal to B?
Mm, A equal to B. Just equals to B you want to get, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
what will happen? B is going to be assigned to A. You can check it. Now, query 20. 20. B assigned to A. B is 20. We are assigning this to A,
Got it, got it.
right? So 20. These are the operators. And next one is assignment operators.
In the above
Assign
comparison operators, that greater than and less than, where we will get in which operators? Only greater than and less than.
this one, only this one.
Okay.
No, no, no.
You
My
mentioned
question is, I didn't get you.
you mentioned greater than or equal to, right? That means greater than also included, right? Here, actually, I am very much poor in
Yes,
maths.
yes.
Sorry, sorry. That's why I'm asking.
No, no, no,
Greater,
no. It is not like that. Yeah, you can ask. Yes.
yeah, that means greater than also comes under comparison operators only. Less than also comes under comparison operators only, right?
Yes. We are comparing means we are trying to match that value with the other value. Right.
Hmm.
So
No,
suppose if I'm okay.
my question is, you have mentioned greater than or equal to and less than
Mm.
or equal to. What about only greater than and only less than? It will
Again,
comes
that
under
will
a,
no, no, no. That is not that won't come under comparison operators. No. We okay. You want to check whether A is greater than B or like that? Try
exactly,
here.
exactly.
Yes. Yeah, it is giving. But in general, we don't go for that level, but still it is giving false and it is less than A is less than B. That would be A is less than B, A is less than, okay, both are equal, right? Here we have assigned it.
Yeah,
It is true because A is 10, B is 20. You are right. We can include that also here.
yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. I need to say that. Okay. So this also includes in the comparison operators. When you are going the assignment operators, what are the assignment operators? We already know equals to is used for the assigning the values. And then one more is there. This is little bit interesting. Plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to, and this one also that. divided by next. These are all assignment operators, which means like let's try it. So equals to, we know that we already doing this. A equals to 10, B equals to 20. E equals to is used for the assigning the data into the variables. That is fine. Next, what is plus equals to? We need to check. Suppose here I'm giving. I'll give you only one example because I don't want to waste time on this. So what I want to give is, I'll just give here one example. Let me know whether this is right or wrong. I'm just saying A equals to 20. A equals to A plus 30. Print A. So what will be the output? So very pretty simple.
A is equal to 20.
A already there, 20.
Yeah,
A
I think
equals
the
to A
output
plus
will be
20,
20.
A plus 30.
I think first we have allocated 20, right? I think
Yes, Shankar again, it is. So this 20 will come here and we'll get it as 50. That is fine. I don't execute it right now. I'll write another code. Now A equals to just A equals to 100. A plus equals to is there right here. We are using this plus equals to A plus equals to 20. Now just print A. What will be the answer? Or the same example, I'll give it here. Yes, and 20 instead. So both are same only. Let me give the same numbers, then you don't get confused. I'll give 20 here. I'll give 30 here. This is a kind of shortcut you can write. So here what I'm doing, A equals to 20 I have given. So in the A we are having 20. Again, A equals to A plus 30 I'm saying. So A would be here. A already we know 20 plus 30. So it will print A equals to 30. Is this clear, Praveen?
yeah, clear, perfect.
So I'm executing. It's fine. Now A equals to 20. Plus equals to is nothing but whatever the value you are having on the right side, this is going to be added to your variable. Just execute this. 50. Both are same only. This is a way of writing shortcut. Like you need not to mention again A. Just plus equals to 30. If you mention, you will get same. In the same way, you can do the minus also. A minus 30. It will give you the negative value, but don't worry. I'm just A minus. What will be the output? 20 minus 30, which is minus 10. It is minus 10. A minus equals to 30. How much I need to deduct? 30 from 20. So I'll get the same out. Like that, all operators we can try. Multiplication, division also can be done in the same way. Is it fine? And yeah, we can try it with all operators. But again, next one we are having logical operators. What are the logical operators? And or like appending with operator, right? Appending with operator. For what you are asking, Shankar? You are asking regarding this one. This one, assignment operators. Nothing. Okay, fine. Logical operators are and or not. And next, we are not, I'm not demonstrating anything, just giving you. And there is another operator, that is identity operator. Which is nothing but is not. Is not. So these two we are going to use. How here we are using and or not in the same way. Is not. We will go it when we are writing. When we are writing our code, we can understand this. What is and what is not. Okay, don't worry. And just follow the pace or follow the flow. And next one is membership operator. In, not in. This also we will see. But these are the operators we are having. We know what is a variable and we know what are the operators. Then let's go further. One more thing here I need to mention. This is very important. Like print function, we are having a function called input. Like print function, we are having a function called input. So what is the input function? So whatever you type inside this parenthesis, that is asked to the user. Means suppose here I have typed what is your name? And you know already print function. Just let me give it here. Print. If anywhere you are getting confused, you can stop me and you can ask. No worries for me. Print, I'm just giving the string here. What is your name? We already know the print. So what it will do? It will print exactly what is your name, right? What is the input function then? We will see this. Just execute this. It is giving what is your name. Now I'm giving what is your name, I asked through the input function. This means it is asking the end user or user to give you the some details about you. Like suppose if I'm, you can see the ATM machine, right? So in that it will give you, it will ask you some queries. What is the balance? What is the amount you want to withdraw? What is your PIN? And like that, you will get some queries on the display. When you are entering, that is going to be taken as an input to that particular system. This is what happening at the back end. They wrote some input queries. So by that input, it is taking from the customer. Here I am giving, my name is Anusha. Just enter it. So it is giving you the output Anusha. Just give another one. Input. What's your age? Now, what's your age I want to write? Will this work? Come on.
No, actually, it won't work.
Right?
We have to use double quotes.
Great. Awesome. So we need to use double quotes. So it is asking for the age. I'm just giving 28. That is fake. So 28. This is what the input function. This is one of the important function. We need to work on this. And next, suppose if I want to ask input, how is the class? Rate out of 5. I can write 1. This is like how it is taking your input. This is an input function. It will ask the user whatever we have given the questions, that questions will be asked to the users. So your next topic is data type. We have already seen the data types like integer, string, float. We know all these data types, like what is Boolean and all. Now, what are the Python data types? We need to know it. Without this, we are not able to write code in the Python. So you must know these data types. These are very important. Okay, I'll just and yesterday I forgot to share the notebook. Today I'll share it. Yesterday's notebook, no, unfortunately it has deleted, not saved. So data types. We already know that. What are the data types we are having? Mutable and immutable. Anybody can define what is mutable and what is immutable?
Can be converted.
Manaswini just now woke up, right? Where you went till now? It's right. Okay. What is mutable?
Like it can be converted to some other.
No problem. You can go ahead. Like whatever you are
And
having.
immutable is like it can't be converted.
Immutable is nothing but it can't be converted. Mutable is nothing but it can be converted, right? But
Yes.
that is right. A kind of mutable means modified after declaring. That is the exact definition. You are right. Your intention is right. Modified after declaring. So what are those mutable data types? You have any idea? It's okay. You don't have also fine. List. Dictionary. Set. These are the mutable types. List, dictionary, set. These are very important. Okay. Take some time to understand, no worries. But without knowing data types, we are not able to write anything in the Python. Not only Python, anywhere. So if you are interested to learn a particular coding language, first and foremost key things are you need to know what are the data types we are having in that coding. Suppose if I'm using SQL server, then I can use varchar, right? But if you are using the same thing in Python, it is not varchar, it is string. So there would be some change between languages. That barriers has to be fulfilled. Otherwise, it is too tough to write any code. That's why please be concentrate while I'm explaining data types at least. Remaining things you can search and you can understand, but these things I'm taking some time so you understand. List, dictionary, and set or mutable. Mute is nothing but it is in your hand. You can suppose if you are having your remote, this is, I'll give some weird examples, don't mind, but to remember this thing, suppose you are having a remote in your hand. If you click on the mute, what it means, you can zero the sound. At the same time, if you are increasing the volume, it is in your hand, means you can adjust the sound, right? In your TV or anywhere, if you are using your Bluetooth device, you are increasing and decreasing, which means you are having that capability to control that particular sound signal. In the same way, mutable is nothing but anywhere. If you are saying mutable is nothing but that particular data type can be modified even after declaration. What is nothing but declaration? I have defined one list and I executed it. So under the variable, that list has passed. Just now we will see that in few seconds. So what will happen? After declaration, after execution also, I can change that particular kind of data set, data type. That is nothing but mutable. So if I'm saying immutable is nothing but we can't modify after declaration. Opposite to this. Cannot modify.
Declaration in the sense output, right?
Yes, a kind of. I'll show you that. So for this, the examples would be tuples and strings. Tuples. Somebody will call triples. Somebody will call tuples. Anything is fine. Strings. Now just I'll declare one data type. First one is list, right? Let's go with the list. Just making that for instant. List. So for list, how to remember, otherwise how to find out whether this is a list or something? Whenever you are seeing this square brackets, if you're seeing the square brackets like this means this is a list. So list can be defined inside the two square brackets. List can be defined inside the two square brackets. So straight. This means whenever you will see square brackets, consider you are dealing with list data type. So if anywhere you saw a square bracket, it means it's a list. So, and one more thing you need to remember for list. List accepts all kinds of data types. Again, what is this data types? You will know this. All kinds of general data types, not this Python data types. List accepts.
Divya, I have a question.
Yes.
Yesterday, you have told that data types are like integers, strings, float, and balloon, right?
Yeah.
So you are now these data types are mutable and immutable. So what is the difference between those and this?
Yesterday, I explained data types, string, integer, boolean, float.
Yeah,
So
correct.
yeah, that is right. That is right. So integer is nothing but what we have defined. All whole numbers are considered as integers.
Correct.
String is nothing but which is mentioned in between double quotes or single quotes is called string.
Strings, yeah.
Those are general data types in all languages. They will be available.
Okay.
In all languages. If you go for SQL, if you go for Java, if you go for R or anything, so for all languages we will have those things. But whatever I'm dealing now, mutable, immutable, these data types are Python data types.
Got it.
These data types are Python data types. So list accepts all kinds of data types. What are those all kinds of data types? Int, string, boolean, float. It can accept all. And one more thing for the list is list allows duplicates. List allows duplicates and list is mutable data type. So these are the features of list. Now let's declare a list. Okay. I'm taking any variable. You know the concept of variable, everybody. So I'm just taking A as a variable. A equals to inside variable, we can store anything. Like yesterday, we have seen inside one bottle, you can store sand, salt, water, milk, and whatever you want. Like that, inside this variable, I'm storing my list. Okay. How to declare a list? How to declare a list? By open and close square brackets.
Yeah.
Now inside this, I'm just giving the values. 1 is integer, 2 is integer, 3 is integer. And next I'm giving some string, which is panda. And I'm giving some float 8.9. And I'm giving Boolean value true. So what I have told you, it will allow all kinds of data types, and it can allow the duplicates also. Let me give the same number again. 1, 2. So just execute this. And how to know the data type of the any variable? Don't say I don't know.
Sorry.
How to know the data type of any variable? Data type of any variable. Nobody is speaking today. James, you're on mute.
Print.
Manaswini, yesterday you are very
Yes,
enthusiastic.
yeah.
Today you are not speaking.
Today my
What?
Wi-Fi is not working. I'm in between connecting and disconnecting. So I before what part was explained, I just missed that one. So I think print type AA that will give
Yes.
the data type.
Data type. See, it is a
Yeah, okay.
list. It is a list. Just print A. You can see it here. You are having 1, 2, 3, panda 8.9. True, again 1, 2 also there. So, which means it is allowing you the duplicates, and it is allowing you the all kinds of data types and duplicates, and which is mutable. Now let's check whether it is mutable or not. That's what we need to do. And have you got any doubt here while creating list? Anybody? Generally, it is looking like array, right? Generally, other languages, you can say array. But the difference between array and list is, in array, you can give only one type of data type. Suppose if I'm writing integers, I can write only integers. If I'm giving strings, I can give only strings. If I'm giving Boolean, I can give only Boolean. Same kind of data type is allowed in array. But list is allowing all kinds of data types. That is what the main difference between list. Suppose, and you can observe one more thing here. I'm giving this in double quotes. Just printing the same. You will get in single quotes only by system default. String you will get in the single quotes. Let's understand what is mutability. Now we know A is 1, 2, 3, panda 8.9, true 1, 2. This is a list of elements. You can call list of elements. So this particular position, each position is having one element. And now just do the mutability. How we can do? We are having one more thing here I want to mention. Suppose I'm having a variable A. Just type dot, and then this is only for Jupyter Notebook. Only for Jupyter Notebook. Not any other notebook, only for Jupyter Notebook. Just press tab and wait for 30 seconds. So you are getting whatever the functions you can apply on the top of this variable here.
In Google Colab, can we get this?
This is for, I don't think so. It will, only for Jupyter you will get this.
Okay.
Only for Jupyter you will get this. So if I type a dot, in Python, every function is connected with the dot. That you need to remember. So if a is a variable, we know this. I just typed a dot and I just try and click on tab, you will get this. So here there is a function called, don't go with all these functions. We'll go one by one. If I told also, now you don't understand, because if you want to understand these functions, you need to know what is indexing and what is slicing. So till now, you just wait, go with the flow. I'm just using pop function here. Pop. Pop function is nothing but it will remove the last element. Pop function will remove the last element. I'm just executing this, and we after this, let me give print A. Just execute. So you can see it here. When I'm giving pop function, I have declared it already. The list I have declared it. You can see it here. After using the pop function, the list is modified here. Variable A is having list. That list got modified. This last element is removed. Last element is removed. 1, 2, 3 panda, 8.9 true 1. So it is altered, right? Which is nothing but it is a mutable data type. Mutability is nothing but you can change the data. You can change the data inside the data type. So inside the list, I'm changing the data. Again, I'll use again the same function. I'm just using shift enter. Last one is deleted. Now, if I use same, true is going to be deleted. See, I can alter the list. This is what the mutability. So now what we can say, A is mutable because we are having list inside it. A is mutable.
Sorry, if we want to change the middle one, what we need to do?
This one.
Panda.
I'll come to that in just 5 minutes.
Okay.
We'll come to that point. That will come in the indexing part. This is now we have understand the list, right? Any doubts?
Sorry,
You can ask me now.
sorry. Can you start from 64 again, please?
This one.
Yes, please.
I'm just declaring a list here. A equals to 1, 2, 3, and panda 8.9 true 1, 2. Declaring and printing the list. So now I'm having a list inside my variable A. That list contains this elements. So now, and if I want to know a variable type, how to know that? By giving type of that particular variable. So I want to check whether this is list or not. I'm just giving this. So it is giving the list data type. Now, let me delete and again repeat this. What I told, list is mutable data type. Mutable is nothing but I have already declared A as a list. So this list is already stored in my compiler. So now what I'm doing is I just want to alter this list. Means I want to change the data inside the list. So I'm having a function called pop. So whenever you are clicking or you are giving your variable dot tab, especially in Jupyter notebooks, you will get whatever the functions applicable on that particular variable. So here is a function I'm using pop. Pop, what this will do is it will remove the last element from your list. So this 2 has to be removed now. 2 has to be removed. Pop is nothing but which is a function. It removes the last element. Removes the last element from our list. Just executing. Before executing this, I'm just using. So you can see it whenever I executed a.pop. So this element is removed from my list. This element is removed. Removed element also it has shown here. Now just print A. Let's check. You are getting the 1, 2, 3 Panda 8.9 true 1, which means our list is going to be altered, changed. This is nothing but mutable data type. Clear? Any doubts? Shall I go forward?
Yeah, please go ahead.
That's great. Next thing is tuple or triple sort. Tuple, whenever you are seeing, tuple is declared inside the parenthesis or round brackets you can call. So whenever you are seeing round brackets, it is nothing but it is a tuple. And tuple is
These round brackets everywhere we can see, right? How can we identify? See, in the above also you can see input round brackets, what is your age? So we can call it as a tuple.
D. We assigning this to any variable? Do we assign?
Okay, got it. No, got it.
No, right. So we are using round brackets, but it doesn't mean that we are assigning to something. Data types we are assigning. So I'm just using tuple, round brackets if you see, then you need to understand this was a tuple. And one more thing from the tuple is the same, like it looks like the same as list only. So tuple also can accept all kinds of data types. All kinds of data types tuple also can accept. But it won't allow you the duplicates. And one more thing, which is immutable. Immutable is nothing but not able to alter or modify. Now just declare one tuple. Let's check. The same thing I'll give as tuple. And let's try whether it will the same data set I'm giving. How to give this? B equals to round brackets. Inside the round brackets, I'm mentioning this. Let's execute. And print B. Okay, it is accepting duplicates. Set is not accepting. Allow the duplicates. So this is tuple and we need to check whether this is mutable or immutable. And let's check what is the type of B. Type of B. It is a tuple. How to do that? Whether we are just B dot tab. You are having any pop function here? Only count and index is there, no pop function, which is nothing but it is not possible to alter it. Even though it is not possible, let me try pop. It is throwing the exception. No attribute. Which means we can't alter the tuple. It's clear?
Yeah, and moreover, you said that it will not allow the duplicates, right?
No. That is actually my bad. Set is not allowing the duplicates. Here we
Okay.
are having another data type that is set. It won't allow. You will see that also now. So before going into any other data type, I just want to give you one concept called indexing. This is very important. because all Python code runs on this index. Suppose one quick question. If you want to find me in the world, how you can find, suppose, how you can find me? Or I want to find you people, then how I can
Uh,
find
we can find you through LinkedIn.
LinkedIn. Okay, whatever. I left my laptop and all. I went. So how you can by address? Am I right? Yeah, not to drag much. So by address, I can you can find me through my address. So
Through phone
indexing,
number also.
how you can find my location? You will go to the defense team.
Through phone number, mobile number.
Yeah. Okay. How you can find my location on the earth? That
Yeah,
is fine.
through
Through mobile number also you can find me, whatever. But basic is address, right? You will find
uh,
me through the address. That's what I want. I'm expecting. Okay. Now suppose I'm declaring here A equals to list only I'm taking. This is a list. I want to get only 2. I want to get in the output only 2, value 2. How to get it? I just want to print only 2 out of the list. So this is nothing but indexing.
can
This
you
is the
repeat
list.
again, please?
So in this list, I want to print only 2. I just need 2 only. Then how I can print? Indexing is nothing but in Python, indexing is nothing but giving one position to each element. Each element I'm giving one position. So here you can see I'm just taking it. This position 0. And this is 1. This is very taking too much. Let me explain this in Paint it please. So in this, whatever you consider, whether it is list or tuple or any variable, I'm just considering here list only. You can consider tuple also. The same will apply for the tuple also. I'm just taking some list elements here. 3, 4, 7, 12, 32. Random numbers I'm taking. 45, 56, 5. So these are the elements of list. Now, if you want to address each element, you are having index in Python. This index starts from 0, 1, 2. This is somewhat easy only, but you need to be more cautious. 4, 5, 6. So these are the index values. Suppose if I want to print 12, then what I need to do? I need to address this elements by its index. By its index. So in Python, index starts from 0. Index starts from 0. So here we are having one list A equals to this one. Now I want to print 2. So what is that? 0, 1, 2. 2 is the index for the list A, right? So I'm just giving A of 2. So 0 is the index for 110, 1 is the index for 5, 2 is the index for 2. I'm just 2. So it gave 2. Suppose I'm giving 0. You are getting 110. I want fifth index 5. I want 7th. Is it there? Yes. I want 9th. It's not. List index out of range. Whenever you are finding list index out of range, this error mentions you like in the list that index is not available. Even in the big coding also you will find this. Any doubts?
Yeah.
Mm.
As you have mentioned, A is equal to 110, 5, 2, 3, right? If A is equal to some sham, B is equal
Okay.
like that in the alphabets,
You
then
want
how it would
string, right?
exactly?
String. So what is the index for Harish now?
3.
3. Yeah.
Got it.
0, 2. It has to print 0, 1. I just need to do this. I just need to execute this. I have not executed. Now just 3. It will print Harish.
Got it. Got it.
Okay. Even it is if I gave here true. True is a Boolean function. I'm just giving the index 4. Execute it. Here, right? So indexing is nothing but calling the element by its address, and the starting index always would be 0. And here is, suppose I'll give you one more list here. You tell me. What is index 3?
-4.
-3. -4.
-4. Even it is negative numbers or whatever it may be, only we are considering 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. And there is one more concept is there, but I suggest you not to use this if you are writing big code, or if you if it is for small codes and all. Now to check for 2 to 3 lines, it will work. With experience, I'm telling, don't use this in your real-time application, but there is another indexing called as negative indexing. For the understanding purpose, I'm just explaining, but you don't use it. count the elements from, now we are counting it from left,
0.
right? Left.
Yeah.
Yeah. Left to right, we are counting. It is like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. N. When you are doing the same thing with the right, which means you are counting from right, 76, 23, 5, 4, 3, true, Harish, like that. From right to left, you will count like this: -1, -2, -3, so on, -n. This is a negative indexing. I'm just typing here for the same set C. C of -1. Now tell me what it will print. Shall I repeat it?
-5.
Exactly. Instead of counting from left to right, you will count right to left. That is what.
And where we have to use and when we have to use this left and right these things.
We will use this when we are trying to get our, if you are writing one list, particular list, and you want to get a particular element, suppose in the list I'm calling all the table names. Okay, so I want to call a particular table. I know the index, so I can call it by index. So list is nothing but here we are taking this kind of things. But in general, we will call all the table names or all the column names. Like that, we can call it into the list. When you start writing your code, you will understand. Okay.
Okay, but you said that indexing is not a good practice. Negative indexing.
Negative indexing is not good practice. It is tough, right? From everybody is reading left to right. When you are giving right to left, you will make some mistake. That's why it won't run for too long codes. This is, you use normal indexing when you are having big code. But if you just for the fun and you are practicing, then you can try this negative index.
Got it.
Right. So now, this is what you are calling for the, wait, for the indexing. And next concept is, I just want to do the slicing. Okay. Slicing is another concept. You need break or shall I continue? Small topic only.
I think only 15 minutes more, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, I
This
can
will
go ahead.
slicing. Slicing is nothing but the syntax looks like this. Slicing. You will give the start index and colon. Whenever you are looking into this particular symbol, colon is nothing but you are doing the slicing. What is slicing? We will see now. Start underscore index, stop index, step. Slicing is nothing but, and one more thing I want to mention. Okay, let me give you one example, then you can understand. Then I'll say what is stop index. Suppose if I'm having list A, this is my list. I just want to do the slicing for this list. A, I need to give the variable name and start with square brackets and give the start index. Suppose I want this has to be printed from Harish to 23. Okay, I just want this part only. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 total. So I need till 5 only. Okay, so I'll start with 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Start index is 3 is to what is the stop index? I'm just giving 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I need 5 also. Okay, I want from Harish to 5. I'm just giving the stop index as 7. Please count somebody for me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the 5 index, right? Just giving 7. Default step size is 1. Default step size is 1. So if you don't mention the step size, that will be fine. Default step size is 1. Now just print this. You see, I have given 7, 0, 1, 2, 3. Harish, it has started. Harish. 4, 5, 6, till 7 I have given, but it has taken till 4 only. 5 is not included. This means what? You need to understand that never include the element of last index. So for last index or stop index, that has to be always +1. So here example I'm taking 5, right? 5 plus 1, which is equals to 6. If I give 6 here, then sorry, 5, 7, right? 7 plus 1, which is 8. If I give 8 here, then only you will get the 5. Let me check it. If you don't understand, don't get confused. I'll repeat it again.
Yeah, please.
Okay. So this is our elements and this is the index. I want 3 to 7. 0, 1, 2. So if I give 0 to 2, 3 will be included, 7 is excluded. So whatever the stop index we are giving, that has to be next to that element. I want to give 7, then I need to give the index 3. If I want 12, I need to give the index 4, stop index. If I want 32, then I need to give the index 5. You don't understand. So to print element 4 till 4, I need to give 2.
Yeah, diagonally we have to take, right?
At least this if what is the index of 4? It is 1, right? Index of 4 is 1. But if you give this 1, what will happen is this 4 is not included. This one, till this one only you will get. If you want 4, then you need to give 2. Means next index. Especially for the stop index, not for the start index. Start index, you need not to give anything. You just give the same index. Suppose if it is 0, then you can give the 0 only, it will take 3. But end index has to be given to the next index value. If end index is n, then I need to give the n plus 1. I'll run 2 more examples then. Simple. Just declaring another one. A equals to okay. So this is my list. What I want to do, I just want to get this list from 2 to 4. So who understands, they can give the answer here. What I need to write? I want only 2 to 4. what I need to write. What is my start index? For 2, what is the index?
1.
1. 1 is to 4 we have to
1
give.
is 1 is to
4 we have to give.
0, 1, 2, 3. We need to
1
give
is
the.
to 5. 5.
Oh,
I'll give both. Let's check what I. I want only 2, 3, 4 has to be printed in the output. 1 is to 4 somebody gave and 1 is to 5 somebody. I'm just executing it. What is the difference, Praveen?
Yeah, you said that if we select the 5, why 5 it has come?
Now tell me, I want only 24, 36, 42. For 24, what is the index? A square brackets open. This is a
1
1. That is right. 24, 1. Stop
is to
index.
4.
Stop
4.
index has to be increased by 1 value.
3 plus
So,
1. Yeah.
so here 0, 1, 2, 3. But if I give 3 here, it will truncate and give only 36. Just check this. This is somewhat, confusing only, but try to understand this. I gave 1 is to 3 and I didn't mention any step size. If I didn't mention any step size, what it will do is it's so what it will do is step size 1 means this drawing is not good because it is pencil. So step size 1 means only one is going to be increased. This is 1. 1. So now you understand, I told to get 24 to 42. But if I gave for first beginning start index, you need not to get worried. Whatever you want, that number index would be sufficient. So 24, here it is 0, it is 1. So I'm giving 1. But I want 42. If I gave 2, 1, 2, 2 I gave only 24 I'll get here. If I gave 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, then I'll get only 36. If I gave 4, then I'll get 42. Praveen, am I making sense to you? If somebody is there, they can explain better than me. No worries, you can carry on.
No, no, please go ahead.
No. If what I'm saying is, no worries. I just don't want to miss anybody in my class. Just- Sorry, guys, I'm taking a little longer.
No problem,
Those,
please.
those who are understand, please be patient. Praveen, you understand these are the elements, right? This is the index.
Correct.
Okay, I'm taking this as a list A. I'm just writing here, slicing. A, square brackets open. I need to give the start index. You tell me which elements I need to print.
Yeah, 3, 4, 7, 12.
Okay, you want this 4 elements. So to give that 4 elements, first what I need to do, I need to give my start index. What is the start index for 0? For 3, it is 0. It is mentioning here.
Yeah,
Huh? So I'm just writing 0. Just to give me good pen. A square bracket 0. So you asking me to give till 12.
correct.
12th one index is 3. But if I
Correct.
give 3 here, what you will get in the output is
7.
3, 4, 7. You won't get 12. If you want to get 12, you need to write 4 here. Then you will get 12. Only +1 you need to do, whatever you want to have. The last index, you need to give the +1 for the stop index. Give me another set.
+1 for the elements, right?
+1 for the stop index.
I mean for the elements.
Yes, for the elements. You want 12, right? If you want 12, you need to give 4. You want 45, you need to give 6. Next, this question to everybody. I want 56. Then what I need to write?
Yeah, that's my question.
That is valid question only. I want 7 to 56. Let me know what to write here. A, what is the start index? 7. Now tell me, I want to write 50. I want to get 56. 7, 12, 32, 45, 56.
7.
Yes, you are right.
7.
You can write 7, you can write 8, you can write 9, and even you can left like that also. It will go till the end. Let's try here. A, I'm having this one 0, 1, 2, 3. I want 5. So if I want to write 5, 42 and 5 I need to print. Then I'm giving 0, 1, 2, 3 is 2. I'm leaving. It will go to end. I want to print all the list. But see, this is A from where it is taking. Somewhere it is declared. So you got all the list here. I have not mentioned any start index, any stop index. By default, step size would be 1. I want to print only 5. Only 5. Then what I need to do? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know it will be somewhat confusing, but
Yeah,
please.
somewhat tricky. We'll crack it out.
Yes. So if you still have doubt, you can ask me. But this is what, and now I want to give step size also. Here I'm having another argument, that is step size. So for this, I'm giving 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm giving the step size of 2, increasing this list. So you can see my start index is 1. So 1 would be 24. 24 got picked up. And next one, what I'm doing, I'm just taking 2 steps. So which means I need to move this to 2 steps. Before it is single step means 24 to 36, it will directly come. So now it will move, it will leave 1 step and it will go to next step 42. And here I have mentioned till 5 only. That's why it came like that. I'm just removing this 5, which is the stop index. I'm removing this. I'm just keeping as like that and execute this. Will this execute? Yes, it will execute. No doubt in that. Just execute. No stop index I have given. I have given the start index. See the syntax, don't get tensed. Start index, stop index, step. Even start index missed, no worries, it will start from the starting. Stop index missed, it will go till the end of the list. And if you missed the step, then it will take by default step size 1. I missed the stop index, that's why it will go through all this entire list and it will make 2 steps. One is 24, it came here. Next, 36 it will leave and 42 will come again. 5 it will leave, 33 will come. 24, step size 2, that's why it won't consider 24. 36 will come. 42 skipped, 5 it came. Let me do this for 3, step size 3. First, yes, yes.
It's like a mixed cocktail, buddy. I'm unable to understand.
So it is easy only, Praveen. No need to worry that much. Let me, okay, I'll do one thing. Just give me all, just let me give this all these things. You understand, right? Indexing, remaining all.
Yeah. Okay, but the slicing part is somewhat.
Yeah, Praveen, we'll stay a little long now for 5 more minutes. I'm asking remaining people. So you understand, right? All of you, like what is slicing and all. And
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
one
Yeah.
more small thing I want to mention here. I don't know the index of 33, but I want to get that index. Till now, we know the index, we are getting the values. But now I know the value, I don't know the index. So how to get that? To get that, I'm having an option called variable dot index of that element. I'm just giving 33. I just want to know 33's index. 33's index is 0. Right?
Yeah, it is a starting point, right? So we'll calculate as 0.
0. Now I want to know 36 index 2. 0, 1, 2. I want to know 24 index. So a dot index of that particular index will give you the value, or sorry, the values index is going to be given if you use this function index. Tomorrow we will see sets and remaining data types. But as of now, if you have any queries, Praveen, if you don't mind, will you stay back for 5 more minutes?
I have a question.
Please.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Yeah, what if I want to know the index of 33? So not the first 33, but the one in the middle of the elements. How do I specify that out?
I don't get your question, Michael.
Okay, so once you go to the elements, the A equals to,
A equals to this one
no, the other one, I think it's up.
here.
No, still going. There's this long index you showed earlier on.
Indexing?
No, there was this long element, there was this long element you showed where the first element was 33, but then we have another 33 in the middle.
This one.
Now, I think it should be down. Can you go down?
Go down. Okay.
Yeah.
Just tell me the cell number, then I can
Okay.
go there.
Okay.
This
So keep on going.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. No.
Keep on going.
Okay. This one.
Okay, I can't find it anymore. Okay, so for this one, do you mind can you put another number behind 36? Can you put 33? Yeah. So what exactly? So what if I want to know the index of this 33, the last 33? How
Yes,
do I
you're right.
specify that out?
I understand. So here 33 is repeated, which is nothing but a duplicate. So if it is a duplicate, then what will happen is, what is your first instance of that element? That is going to be collected as your index. So when we are calling for index, okay, we are having duplicates inside this. So for duplicate data, whatever your first incident index, that is going to be given you. I understand your question. So now you are having duplicates. Why not it is 3?
Mhm.
Why it is 0? That is what your question, right?
Yes, correct.
Yes. So anywhere in general, if you are dealing with your programming or anywhere, what is our motto is to delete the duplicates. Even everywhere we will delete the duplicates, because this 33 is representing twice. There is no new data. 33 is 33 only everywhere. It is not matching. It is not a key value pair, right? It is just a value.
Hmm.
So what is the first instance it is coming? That would be considered as index.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, because it's second question. How do you declare an element? So take for example, you don't want to make use of A, you want to make use of another element, let's say B. What do you press on the keyboard to declare the element?
Okay. So I want to declare elements so how I am creating list. That is what your question?
Yeah. Okay. So take for example, line 158. So that says A equals to 33, 24, and so on. Can you go up a bit?
This one?
Still go up. So let's say you wanna play with line 122. How do you switch? Like how do you switch from 158 to 122? No, the one up. Or maybe that one. Yeah. The next one. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. How do you switch from 158 to 122 on the keyboard?
This one. Okay.
Yeah.
What happened is, when I'm typing some code, what I did is I just deleted it here.
Okay.
That cell got deleted.
Okay.
But that count remains the same in this sense.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Any queries? Or
Let's discuss tomorrow, Divya.
Praveen, you from Telugu or what?
Telugu.
Just wait 2 minutes. I'll clear now only, not for tomorrow. Okay. Just if no doubts, then remaining people can drop.
Quick question, Anisha.
Yes, Sadik.
How are we gonna get these notes? And is there like a group where we can join, like a WhatsApp group or something?
This one that you need to ask Shanmukh. So we are having the number of him, I think. Shanmukh, are you there? You left. He's there, but he's muted. I think the number is there. I don't remember his name.
You want Shanmukh number?
Yeah. I'll give it in the chat now. I got it through the WhatsApp DB. I'm giving this in the chat, Sadik. So you can call him. He will manage everything. I just teach classes. 99025. No, sorry. 90140. Am I right, Praveen?
9902590
Yes, this is the number, Sadik. You can ping to this number through WhatsApp. He can respond to that.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. And okay, thanks everyone. Praveen, you వెళ్ళకండి ఉండండి.
Okay, Andy.
Recording stop.
Let's stop the recording.
మనకి wait. One second. I'll call him and ask to stop the recording. He may be sleeping. ఓకే. నో వరీస్. చెప్తాను చూడండి ఒకసారి. 2 మినిట్స్ ఏం కాదులెండి.
అంటే రికార్డింగ్ జరుగుతుందేమో.
ఇక్కడ జరుగుతున్నట్టు ఏం లేదు. వెన్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ it's not showing
No
recording, right?
issues, it was live. It was live in the YouTube. No issues. You can go ahead.
Stop recording. Stop live also. You sleeping.
Yeah. Let me start
Everybody
it.
is asking you. You are sleeping. That's great. You stop the recording.
No.
Okay then.
Guys, wait a minute. Wait a minute, please.
ఇంకా నిద్రమత్తదలేదు.
I guess the control is with you. Just stop the live.
See, here it is record to this computer, record to the cloud. Where is
You know,
where?
and the more options, live recording will be there, right? So that option, just check downward.
Okay.
You can see at the end, you can see more option there. You can see
It's
live
okay.
on YouTube.
It's okay. Then we will do one thing, Praveen. Just log out and we'll
Yeah,
come back.
sure.
Oh, what happened? What happened?
Nothing,
Please.
nothing, Shanmugh. Nothing. Everything is fine. Don't worry.
Okay.
Otherwise, just pass the control to me, Anisha. I'll take care.
Where to pass? Here it is not there, right?
Just
More.
click on my name and make me host. Anji, click on Anji and make me host.
Stop the recording.
Okay.
Done.
No. Still
Yeah.
recording.
I cannot see that option. It was gone with my controls. It was gone. That's okay.
That's
No
fine.
problem. Just
ఏం లేదు, కొంచెం ఒక చిన్నది తెలుగులో చెప్పాలి.
okay.
2 minutes only. No worries. చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఇండెక్సింగ్ ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఇది ఇచ్చాం కదా మనం లిస్ట్ లో ఎలిమెంట్స్. స్టార్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ ఇప్పుడు 2 కావాలనుకోండి, 0 1 2 అని ఇస్తే 2 అని ఇస్తే 0 1 2 అని ఇస్తే స్టార్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. కానీ నాకు హరీష్ వరకే కావాలనుకోండి, నేను 3 అని ఇస్తే హరీష్ రాదు, 4 అని ఇస్తేనే వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ ఇండెక్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. స్టాప్ ఇండెక్స్.
అది అర్థమైంది. స్లైసింగ్ దగ్గర నాకు కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజన్ వచ్చింది.
ఇక్కడ ఏంటో చెప్పండి.
నేను మీకు చెప్పాను 1:.
స్టార్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ అంటే మనం ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తామో అది. స్టాప్ అంటే మనం స్టాప్ చేసే దాని తర్వాత ఇండెక్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఒకవేళ ఇవ్వలేకపోయినా కూడా మనకి లిస్ట్ మొత్తం కావాలి అని అనుకుంటే ఈ ఇండెక్స్ ఇవ్వకుండా ఎంటీగా వదిలేసినా కూడా ఎండ్ వరకు తీసుకుంటది.
ఓకే.
అలాగే స్టార్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ ఇవ్వకపోయినా కూడా స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటది. సపోజ్ ఇది ఉందనుకోండి, ఏ జస్ట్ ఈజ్ టు పెట్టి నేను ఎంటర్ చేస్తే ఎండ్ ఇండెక్స్ స్టార్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ దానంతటా తీసుకుంటాం. లిస్ట్ ఏమని అవని
ఆటోమేటిక్గా
అంటే స్టార్టింగ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఇది అని చెప్పాలనుకున్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఇవ్వాలి. లేదు ఫస్ట్ నుంచి తీసుకోవాలి అని అంటే మనం ఏమి ఇవ్వక్కర్లేదు. ఎండ్ ఇండెక్స్ చివరి ఎలిమెంట్ వరకు తీసుకోవాలి అని అన్నప్పుడు కూడా ఏమి ఇవ్వక్కర్లేదు. అండ్ ఒకవేళ 3A లాస్ట్ ఇండెక్స్ అయినా కూడా మనం 5 ఇచ్చినా కూడా తీసుకుంటుంది. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 3A ఉన్నాయి కదా, నేను 5 ఇస్తున్నాను అయినా కూడా తీసుకుంటాను. ఇదిగోండి 0, 1, 2A ఉంది, యాక్చువల్లీ 5 ఇచ్చినా తీసుకుంది ఎండ్ ఇండెక్స్. బట్ ఓన్లీ పర్టికులర్ ఇండెక్స్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ దాకా రావాలంటే మాత్రమే ఇవి వాడాలి. ఈ స్టెప్ సైజ్ ఏంటంటే 1 అని ఇస్తే ఇమీడియట్ గా ఏ నెంబర్ ఉందో అది వస్తుంది. 2 ఇస్తే ఒకటి స్కిప్ చేసి వస్తుంది. 2 ఇస్తే 2 స్కిప్ చేసి ఇస్తుంది అనమాట. 3 ఇస్తే మీరు ఒకసారి
ఇది
ప్రాక్టీస్.
అదే మీరు వన్స్ కోడింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత లైవ్ చెప్తారు కదా, అప్పుడు ఈ స్లైసింగ్ ఎంతవరకు ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది? ఐ మీన్ ఆ కోడింగ్ లో ఎంతవరకు ఇంపాక్ట్ ఉంటుంది?
మనం స్లైసింగ్ అనేది చాలా చాలా చోట్ల వాడతాం. అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను కొన్ని లిస్ట్ లో కొన్ని తీసేయాలనుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు స్లైసింగ్ వాడతాను. అంటే నేను లిస్ట్ ఎక్కడైతే డిక్లేర్ చేస్తున్నానో అక్కడ స్లైసింగ్ వాడడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది మనకి.
ఓకే.
స్లైసింగ్ ఇండెక్సింగ్ రెండు కంపల్సరీగా రావాలి. బట్ విత్ ప్రాక్టీస్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్. అంత టెన్షన్ పడాల్సిన నో వరీస్.
దివ్య భారతి గొల్లవాడి, రైట్?
నో, who said? That's wrong.
లింక్డ్ ఇన్ ప్రొఫైల్ మిస్ అయింది అందుకని.
No, not that one.
లింక్డ్ ఇన్ ప్రొఫైల్ ఏంటది?
I'll tell you. ఇప్పుడు ఇది లైవ్ కదా. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే, బై. సై గుడ్ నైట్.
గుడ్ నైట్.
జై హింద్. జై హింద్.